Oh yeah, PB, you woofing. Look, man, it's time to wash, bro. Today is cut day, so you know damn well I gotta comb my hair out, man. You should always comb your hair out before you get a cut. But look at that woof, though. Bruh. It's crazy, man. I lost count, man. I don't know how long I was woofing. Anyways, man, you know I gotta pull out that Beauty Merch Flawless Hard Brush, man, and hit him with that legendary tie-dye bar, man. Nothing but great lather with crazy results at the end, of course. Man, check it out. Of course, I put my do-rag on. You want to always put your do-rag on after you wash in style. I waited about 2 hours, man. That was the results right there, right before the cut. I'm literally in the bathroom at the barbershop, bruh. You know what I'm saying? All right, so you want to comb it out, of course, before the haircut, like I tell you. My hair is fully clean, man. It's the same day, 2 hours later after the wash. Time for that cut. You know what I'm saying? The big chop, though. Look at that chop, bro. Hey, it was definitely time. I hit him with the 2 with the grain. You know, man, I cut it a little more shorter than I normally do. I normally get like 3 with the grain haircuts, to be honest. But sometimes I tend to, you know, get different cuts depending on what I'm working on. Obviously, I haven't been brushing as much, so, you know, I wanted to cut it a little shorter so I can go crazy. So we're in construction mode right now, all right? So, hit it with that, you know, this right here is actually a little bit higher on the fade. I wanted it to be a little higher. I guess you can call it a goat fade 2.0, you know what I'm saying? A goat fade 2.0, that mid taper. A little higher on the drop though, pretty much. But yeah, man, this Twisted Barber actually cutting the hair. Of course, you know, nothing but quality cuts when you go to him. You know what I'm saying? If you're in the IE area, pull up, book one, and get you a cut. I mean, come on, what barber do you know that's pulling out the comb, got tricks like that, man? Look at that, man. Comb over, man, that's crazy, man. I don't know what he's doing, but even that, man, that's the first time he done something like that, bro. But I was with it, I was with it, man. I was with it, bro. You know what I'm saying? But I guess what that does is pretty much get all the hairs of your hairline to be straight, so that way you would not push you back at all. It's just like you just pretty much getting right from where the hairline starts, bro. That's where you line it up at. You know what I mean? This is right here is a different kind of trick, but I liked it though, man. Especially when you get a spa treatment like that. Hey, that felt fire though. I ain't gonna lie, that felt fire, bro. You know what I'm saying? Wipe me down real fast, dry me down real fast. You know what I'm saying? Now you about to give me a crispy ass lineup. Check it out. Oh yeah, you know, of course he hit me with that razor, man, after that lineup, man. He had to hit me with that razor for that finish off. That's for sure. He always do that, man. I love it because, you know, he actually put his all into the haircut, man. And that's what I like about, you know what I mean, a barber that loves their craft. And there go the finish results right there. And of course, man, it don't look really all that, my waves don't look all that busting because I got to brush my hair, bro. That's just how it is with coarse hair wavers. You know what I'm saying? We got to get a good brush session after the haircut because all that loose hair is right there. But look. Get one by Twist, man. Stop playing. Also, stay tuned for the newest drop, man. Big announcement dropping soon. Let's get it.